In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms for beginners. Google Forms is a versatile tool, allowing you to create surveys, quizzes, and collect data effortlessly. Let's dive in and explore how to get started. First up, open your internet browser and head to Google Drive at drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so using your Google account. This is your starting point for creating anything new with Google's suite of tools. Once you're in your Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of your screen for the New button and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. In this menu, hover over the More option at the bottom, which will expand to reveal additional Google tools. Here you'll find Google Forms. Click on it to get started. At this point, you're faced with a decision on how you want to begin. You can start with a blank form if you want complete control from scratch, or you can choose to use a quiz template which structures the form with questions already in place. Templates are helpful if you're looking for some guidance or need a ready-made style. If you opt for a blank form, Google's intuitive design makes it easy to name your form, which is your next step. Simply click where it says Untitled Form and type in the name you want. This name will be how you refer back to your form later in your Drive, and how respondents will identify what they're filling out. Now it's time to add some questions. On the right hand side of the form editor, click the plus icon to insert your first question. Google Forms offers a variety of question types, from short text answers to multiple choice or even linear scales. To select the type of response you're looking for, click on the drop-down menu that begins with short answer by default and choose your preferred option. Don't forget, you can always make certain fields required by toggling the required button at the bottom of each question. This is crucial if there are questions you can't afford to have unanswered. Once your questions are in place, selecting responses at the top of the form's dashboard lets you view the answers you've collected as they come in. Don't miss out on the settings tab here either, enabling helpful options like automatic response collection in a Google Sheet. Customizing your form is also straightforward. Click on Customize Theme to tailor the look and feel. Here you can insert header images, change the background color, and adjust fonts to match your personal or company branding. Finally, when your form is ready, hit the Send button to distribute it via email, a direct link, or even embed it into websites. Remember, you can use Google Forms for a plethora of purposes.